Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to save file on your Canva mobile app. Now this works if you're on Android, iOS, or any device that you might have because the steps are pretty much the same. So go ahead and open your Canva app. Open any design that you have and you want to save. For me, I'll open a recent design that I did. Alright, now from here, let's click the share button on the top right corner of the screen. And then you have the download option. Go ahead and click on that. And then you can edit the file type, whichever works for your design. For me, I'll just need PNG. And then if you just have a free trial mode of Canva, then these options below the file type cannot be changed. But if you have a subscription or you're on Canva Pro, then you can go ahead and change the size, make it have a transparent background, or compress the file if it's too large. If you're good to go, all you have to do is just click on download. And that's it. That's how you can save file on Canva mobile app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.